In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an icon on Notion. Whether you're looking to personalize your workspace or just add a touch of creativity, adding icons can make a world of difference. So, let's dive right in and explore this simple yet effective customization tool. First, open Notion on your computer and navigate to the page where you'd like to add an icon. If you haven't yet opened Notion, take a moment to do so now. Every page in Notion has the capability to feature a unique icon at the very top, right next to the page title. These icons serve not only as visual identifiers but also add a layer of personalization to your organization system. Now, if you hover your mouse over the title area, you'll notice that an option will appear to add icon. Go ahead and click on that. Immediately, a default icon will appear, usually a simple smiley face. This is just a placeholder, so let's change it to something more meaningful. Clicking on the icon itself brings up a menu where you have a variety of choices. You can select from Notion's built-in emoji library, which offers a wide range of options from expressive emojis to classic symbols. Scroll through these options to find something that resonates with the theme of your page, or something that simply catches your fancy. Once you've selected your emoji, just click on it, and it will appear at the top of your page. It's that simple. However, if you're looking for something more unique than the standard emojis, you can upload your own images as icons. To do this, click again on the icon, and in the menu, you will find an Upload an Image option. Clicking here will allow you to select an image from your computer. Choose a small file, ideally a simple and recognizable image, as icons should be easily discernible at a glance. Once uploaded, your new icon will replace the default one, adding a personal touch to your workspace. Additionally, if you have a link to an online image that you want to use, you can click on the Link option in the same drop-down menu. Insert the URL, and Notion will fetch the image and use it as your icon, provided it's a direct link to an image file. Be sure that the image is publicly accessible to ensure it shows up correctly. If at any point you want to change the icon, simply follow these same steps to update it to something new. Remember, the key here is customization, so feel free to experiment with different icons for different pages until you find a setup that truly appeals to you. And that's it. You've successfully added an icon to your Notion page, enhancing both its appearance and functionality. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!